Welcome back to Just Called a Hit, Episode 2. I'm not a crack shot, I am human. I'm shooting a 6mm piece of plastic down a non-rifled barrel, but with the amount of plastic I'm slinging downrange, the odds are stacked against my opponents. So, tell me what you think of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Nobody? Hey! You got me, man. Right in the finger. Come back. Good shot. Come here. Come here.
Yeah. Okay, that'll work.
Anybody?
Hey!
Did I not get anybody with my grenade? Hit! Foot! Hey, 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 ho, hey, hey, ho, 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 hey, ho, 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 hey, hey, ho. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, I mean, ha, yeah, 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 ha. It's here, it's here. Keep them down, keep them down. Hit! Sorry if I overshot you, man.
Yeah, you got me in the foot.
Oh. That's all I can see. Hit! If you're shooting at me, please quit. Okay. Hit! Nice shot! Semi-auto only, man. No, somebody else did. The tinker with the gun and it went off. No way. Bang. Sorry. Hey. Bang.
I didn't see your ding.
No, you're cool. I'm worried about the other one now. Is he actually? I'm on your team.
You got me. Good job.
In the next clip, listen closely. You can hear the BB bouncing around after I shoot. It's because I missed the guy, and that's why it's so important to keep your sportsmanship up. Because if I would have flown off the handle and yelled at this kid, it would have been for absolutely nothing.
Huh.
I hate you, Darwin.
Sorry, Mr. M. Bang. Do what?
Come on, I want to respond.
Do what?
I was shooting that heck out of this. Heck coming out.